Hi, I'm Sandra Millington, and I'm going to be singing Patience. This song was requested by my dad. If I mess up, don't mind. I'm just trying the song. So, here we go. Shed a tear 'cause I'm missing you, but I'm still alright to smile. Girl, I think about you every day now. Was a time when I wasn't sure, but you set my mind at ease. There is no doubt you're in my heart now. Sad woman, take it slow, it will work itself out fine. All we need is just a little patience. Sad sugar, make it slow, and we'll come together fine. You and I just need a little patience. Patience, oh yeah, oh yeah. Sitting here on the stairs 'cause I'd rather be alone. If I can't have you right now, I'll wait, dear. Sometimes I get so tense, but I can't speed up the time. But you can know you got room to consider. Sad woman, take it slow, and things will be just fine. You and I just need a little patience. Sad sugar, take the time, 'cause the lights are shining bright. You and I got what it takes to make it. We won't fake it. We'll never break it, 'cause I can't take it. Daddy wants you. Just a little patience, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just a little patience, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just a little patience, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just a little patience. Yeah. I've been walking the streets at night, just trying to get it right. It's hard to see with so many around. You know I don't like being stuck in the crowd, and the streets don't change, but maybe the names. I ain't got time for the game, 'cause I need you. Yeah, yeah, well I need you. Whoa, I need you. Whoa, I need you. Oh, this time. Okay, sorry for all the interruptions in that video, but anyways, like, rate, subscribe.